Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. I'm Anugrah Putri from PBIC 2021 English Education Department. In this video, I will make a video or I will answer the several question in discourse analysis course for assignment 8 by Dr. Kaharuddin. So, I will start for the question number 1. So, in assignment 8, there are several questions. The first is about what do you know of cohesion, coherent, as well as coherence in writing discourse analysis. So, cohesion and coherence are two essential concepts in writing discourse analysis, and they work together to create a well-structured and understandable piece of writing. The first is coherence. Coherence refers to the overall logical flow and meaning of a text, and then cohesion refers to the specific mechanism that links sentence and ideas together within the text. And the example in coherent text, like the cat sat on the mat, apples are red. So in this cohesive, the fluffy cat sat patiently on the woven mat, waiting for its food bowl to the berry field, and ripe apples, a vibrant red, were built high in the basket beside it. For example, cohesive device like a reference word, conjunction, and lexical cohesion. So by using this cohesive device, the writer creates a clear and logical flow of ideas, making the text coherent by focusing on the both cohesion and coherence. And you can write clear, concise, and effective piece. So the question B, my answer is grammatical cohesive device are the linguistic tools that writers use to connect ideas within a text and create a flow of information. This device includes reference word, conjunction, and noun phrase. By using cohesive device effectively, writers can ensure that they are writing in clear, concise, and easy to understand. So, discourse analysis is a study of how language is used in communication. It examines how speakers and writers use language to achieve their communicative goals. So, discourse analysis can be used to identify and analyze the use of grammatical cohesive device in a text. Some reason. The first is to understanding how text is constructed. The second is to identify the writer's purpose, and the third is to assess the effectiveness of the writing. So this text uses a number of grammatical cohesive devices like reference word, conjunction, and noun phrase. So grammatical cohesive devices are an essential tool for writers. By using cohesive device effectively, writers can create clear, concise, and well-structured text. Discourse analysis can be a valuable tool for understanding how cohesive devices are being used in a text and for assessing the effectiveness of the writing. The third is my answer is lexical cohesive devices are the building blocks of vocabulary that create connection between ideas within a text. They function differently for grammatical cohesive device, though both contribute significantly to coherence, like lexical cohesion, grammatical cohesion. And main types of lexical cohesive device like repetition, synonyms, antonyms, hyponyms, and meronyms. So lexical cohesive plays a vital role in creating meaningful connection within a text. So discourse analysis of lexical device help us understanding the author's intent, evaluate the flow of writing, and the potential uncover deeper meanings embedded in the word choices. And the fourth, my answer is the aspect of grammatical cohesive device to make you might understand interest in. The first is reference, the second is substitution, ellipsis, and conjunction. By effectively using these grammatical cohesive devices, writers can create a clear, well-structured, and easy-to-follow text. So understanding this device is essential for analyzing writing scores and for improving your own writing skill. And then, what do you know of the following aspect lexical cohesive device? The first is reference. Reference, when people speak or write, we frequently see that people use some particular words that refer to someone or something. The process is called reference. That is the act of referring to something or someone in discourse according to Haliday and Hasan, 1976. Reference can be personal or including pronouns, possessive adjective, and possessive pronouns, and then demonstrative, verbal pointing and comparative, dictate or non-dictate. The function as causative. Then where the pronoun they refer to is the first is endoporic reference like anaporic and anaporic reference. The second is cataphoric. This next is exoporic reference. Exoporic reference is used to refer something or someone. A word is not mentioned within the text. And then B is substitution. Substitution is a type of cohesive device which is used to replace one time in a text with another in the other text. According to Haliday and Hasan, 1976, the primary purpose of using substitution is to avoid repeating a particular item within a text. The number C is ellipsis. When we speak or write, it's possible for use to get rid of a word of praise rather than repeating it, and we don't need to provide a substitute for the word of praise. And ellipsis, there are some part. The first is nominal ellipsis. The second is verbal ellipsis, and the third is operator ellipsis. And there are causal ellipsis. And then conjunction. Another type of grammatical cohesive device is conjunction. Which is generally employment to link clauses by using conjunctive relations such as adjective and, adversative yet, clausal so, or temporal then. Haliday and Hasan, 1976, in English, say that conjunction have an important function since they join words, phrase, and clauses together. And conjunction, there are part. The first is coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction, and conjunctive adverbs. And the last is about repetition. Repetition is a repeat the same words a few times to make an idea clear. The second is hyponymy. The use of specific word used to design a member of broader classes. And the third is superordinate, using words whose meaning includes the meaning of one or more other words. The fourth is metonymy, like a word or phrase that is standing for another word. And the last is anatomy, like the selection of a word which is opposite in a meaning in another. And then the number B is collocation. Collocation is a type of lexical cohesion which results from using one word with another word. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.